Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel, Mindful Reflections. Today, we have an incredibly interesting topic that can change your life. We will talk about creating amulets and talismans for protection and attracting luck. Yes, you heard that right. These ancient practices can become your faithful helpers on the path to success and harmony. Stay with us, because you are in for many amazing discoveries. Amulets and talismans have been used since ancient times. These magical items help people protect themselves from negative energy, attract luck, and fulfill wishes. Let's figure out what amulets and talismans are and how they work. An amulet is an item worn for protection against evil and negativity. It can be made of various materials such as stones, metals, wood, and even fabric. A talisman, on the other hand, is designed to attract luck and fulfill wishes. It can also be made from various materials and is often decorated with symbols or images that have special meaning. One of the simplest and most popular amulets is the cross. It is worn for protection and blessing. In various cultures, amulets in the shape of an eye, star, animals, and other symbols are also popular. For example, in ancient Egypt, amulets in the shape of a scarab were widely used, symbolizing rebirth and protection. To create an amulet or talisman, you first need to determine its purpose. What do you want to achieve? Protection, luck, love, or health? This will determine the choice of materials and symbols. For example, for protection, you can use black tourmaline or obsidian, and for attracting love, rose quartz or carnelian. It is important not only to choose the right materials, but also to charge the amulet or talisman with energy. This can be done through meditation, prayer, or a ritual. One simple way is to hold the amulet in your hands, close your eyes, and focus on your desire. Imagine the energy flowing from you into the amulet, filling it with power. Let's consider some examples of creating amulets and talismans. The first example is an amulet for protection. Take a small piece of black tourmaline and wrap it in a red thread. The red color symbolizes strength and protection, and black tourmaline is a stone that absorbs negative energy. Carry this amulet with you, or place it under your pillow to protect yourself from evil. The second example is a talisman for attracting luck. You will need a small piece of green aventurine and a golden thread. Green aventurine symbolizes luck and prosperity, and gold represents wealth and success. Wrap the stone in the golden thread and carry it with you, or place it on your desk to attract luck in your endeavors. The third example is a talisman for love. Take a small piece of rose quartz and a white thread. Rose quartz is the stone of love and harmony, and white symbolizes purity and sincerity. Wrap the stone in the white thread and carry it with you, or place it near a photo of your loved one to strengthen your relationship. Now let's talk about the symbols that can be used on amulets and talismans. One of the most famous symbols is the pentagram. It symbolizes protection and balance. Other popular symbols include the cross, the Star of David, the symbol, and various runes. Each symbol has its own meaning and can enhance the energy of the amulet or talisman. You can also create a personalized amulet or talisman using your initials, birth date, or other personal symbols. This will make the amulet even more powerful and effective. For example, you can engrave your initials on a piece of metal or inscribe them on a stone. Amulets and talismans can not only be worn, but also used in the interior. Place them in your home or office to create a protective field and attract positive energy. For example, you can hang an amulet over the door or place a talisman on your desk. One important aspect of working with amulets and talismans is believing in their power. Without belief, they remain just objects. So, when you create and use an amulet or talisman, believe in its magical power and possibilities. Your faith gives it energy and makes it truly effective. Now let's consider some examples of using amulets and talismans in everyday life. For example, you can wear a protection amulet at work, or on trips to safeguard yourself from negative energy, or use a luck talisman at important meetings or exams to increase your chances of success. One simple way to enhance the energy of an amulet or talisman is to conduct regular cleansing and charging rituals. For example, you can leave the amulet under the moonlight overnight to charge it with lunar energy, or smudge it with incense to cleanse it from negativity. Another important aspect is gratitude. Thank your amulets and talismans for their help and protection. This strengthens your connection with them and enhances their energy. For example, you can thank the amulet every morning or before going to bed, expressing words of gratitude and appreciation. Amulets and talismans are not only items for protection and attracting luck, but also powerful tools for personal growth and development. Use them to unlock your potential and achieve new heights in life. For example, you can create a self-improvement talisman and wear it to remind yourself of your goals and aspirations. It is important to remember that amulets and talismans work best when used with respect and mindfulness. Respect their power and energy, and they will respond in kind. For example, handle amulets with care, store them in a clean and safe place, and don't forget to regularly cleanse and charge them. Finally, share your knowledge of amulets and talismans with others. Tell your friends and family about their power and possibilities. Help them create their own amulets and talismans. This will not only bring you joy and satisfaction, but also strengthen your faith in the magic and power of amulets. Dear friends, thank you for watching our video to the end. We hope the information on creating amulets and talismans was useful and inspiring. Remember that the power of amulets and talismans lies in your faith and intentions. Use them with respect and gratitude, and they will surely bring you protection, luck, and the fulfillment of your desires. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Mindful Reflections, give it a like, and leave a comment. Share your thoughts and experiences with using amulets and talismans. Your opinion is very important to us. Stay with us and look forward to new exciting videos. See you soon.